Okay, so this might be the single biggest unlock for Claude Code I found this year. There's an MCP server that gives Claude an actual browser. Not screenshots, not scraping, a real Chrome window it can drive. And once you plug it in, the kind of work you can hand off changes completely. Quick context. MCP, Model Context Protocol, is the open standard Anthropic shipped for connecting Claude to tools and data. Think of it like a USB port for AI. Microsoft maintains an MCP server called Playwright, the same Playwright thousands of teams already use for end-to-end testing. Plug it into Claude, and Claude can navigate pages, click buttons, fill forms, take screenshots, switch tabs, all of it. Honestly, the first time I saw it work, I just sat there for a second. Setup is one line. You run Claude MCP, add Playwright npx at playwright/MCP, hit enter, and Claude Code registers it. No config file editing, no Docker, no API key. Restart your session, type /MCP to confirm it's live, and that's it. The whole thing takes about 10 seconds, give or take a slow npm install. So what does it actually feel like? You type something like, go to the docs site, find the rate limits page, and tell me the per minute cap for the free tier. Claude opens a real Chrome window, navigates, scans the page, clicks into the right section, and reads the answer back. No scraping libraries, no fragile selectors. You watch it think and click in real time. Here's the bit that flipped it for me. Authenticated flows. Old browser automation broke the moment you needed to log in, deal with two-factor, or get past a cookie banner. With Playwright MCP, you can connect Claude to a Chrome you've already logged into. Your session, your cookies, your tabs, Claude just operates inside it. Pulling reports out of an internal admin panel, kicking off a build, filling a form behind a login wall, all of it works. And here's a detail most people miss. Playwright MCP doesn't send Claude pixels. It sends the accessibility tree, structured semantic data about every element on the page. Buttons, headings, inputs, all labeled, which means Claude doesn't need a vision model to operate the browser, doesn't burn tokens on screenshots, and doesn't get confused by a redesigned UI. Way faster, way cheaper, way more reliable. It's not magic, though. Things break. Heavy single-page apps with weird custom widgets sometimes don't expose clean A11Y data. Sites with aggressive bot detection will still block you. And if a page genuinely needs visual reasoning, like reading a chart inside a canvas, you're back to screenshots. The fix is hybrid usage, accessibility tree for 90% of tasks, screenshot mode for the rest. This is straight from the GitHub repo. Microsoft, official maintainer, open source, 32,000 stars and climbing. The install command, the tool list, the supported clients, all there in the README. Worth a 5-minute read before you wire it up. So if you've been stuck doing browser stuff by hand because automation always felt brittle, try this. Add Playwright MCP, ask Claude to do one task in your browser today, and see what happens. You'll find work you didn't realize you could hand off. We're going deep on Claude. Grow with us. Like, subscribe, comment what you think.